Hello, I'm Dr. Michael Verno, the Director of the Office of Student Success. I'm very, very pleased that I was given the opportunity to reach out to Albright College's prospective students. Being a new college student, even when I intended, comes with challenges. It is complicated, a lot of moving parts. But I'm here to say that Albright College's faculty and staff are positioned to work with students to set you up to achieve great things. The Office of Student Success in particular is dedicated to working with students during their first year from everything from time management to academic exploration. And if we don't have the answers, we will find the people who do. At Albright, our success is reflected in your success. But don't take my word for it. Come to Albright College and find out for yourself.